Me and Don. Today we're gonna replace hold it up. We're gonna replace the cabin air filter on the Civic. Yes, the 2003 Civic LX. Let's open this up. And oh, you've got this nice and neat, man. Look at this thing. Holy sh!
I like to keep things clean.
You like to keep things clean. It looks nice, man. Oh boy, it's hot in here though. Tell you what, can you open the windows up? Woo! Because it's like 100 degrees out right now. It's very pretty out, but whoa, it is hot. I think we're going for a record today. Oh, by the way, it is it's August 28th, right?
Yeah. Wait,
Woo.
no, maybe it's the 29th.
Is it 29th or 20th? I don't know. Thank you very much for doing that. Okay, so, oh, here we go. So, what is our first step?
Open the glove compartment.
It's open.
All off.
What's it say then?
Put the arm free. Pull the arm free from the glove compartment.
Okay. All right, well, I think first we got to take this stuff out. Otherwise, it's going to all fall down on us. So where should we put it? Well, let's put it over here on the seat.
Yeah.
Let's put it on the seat. Okay, man, there's all kinds of cool stuff in here.
I guess I do.
Yes, you do. Oh, look. Look at that little thing. Remember those?
Yep.
What? Do you still use that?
I don't know why it's in there exactly.
I don't know. What's this? What do we got here? Oh!
Okay.
Tire pressure gauge. Ouch. Oh, man, it's so hot. It's burning my fingers. Okay. All right. So, extra
Plastic utensils and straws.
cool. Nice. All right. Okay.
Whatever this is.
Whatever that is. Okay. So, nice. All right. So, why don't you film here? Okay. So, what do we do next?
Okay, is it recording? Yes.
Yeah, I think it's recording.
Well, I just gave you the thing with the instructions on what to do next.
We gotta pull this down. So, does this just go in or what? How does it come off?
I'm not sure.
I don't know. Okay, I can't see because my glasses. All right, so just keep going here. This is all right, so I don't know. Oh, there it is. We can pop this out, I think. Oh, there you go. Ah, that's it. That's good. Okay, and then, oh, I see. This just kind of like, we can just, there we go. Oh, that's it. I didn't have to actually take this out, but I did. Okay, so there we go. What's next?
It's on the back of that.
It's on the back. So next is, slide the filter frame out from the housing. Okay, well, where's the filter frame? Oh, it's right here. Can you get in there and see that? Okay, so how do we get this out? You know, I can't see. Tell you what, let me go get a flashlight. Okay, so anyways, so now I've got the light so I can see. All we do is take this thing here and press it, and it comes off like that, right? Okay, and we're gonna pull this one out and see what it looks like. Oh my goodness! It's all filled with junk. Okay, all right. So airflow goes down. All right, so anyways, let's get the other one out. This one goes on the left. Okay, so the other one, can you see? Here, I'll put the light on there. So this one slides over like this. Comes out. Let's see what we got. Oh! Look at this. There's all kinds of, definitely, I'm surprised you get any airflow through this whole thing at all. My goodness. Okay, good thing. All right, so, you know, we could have replaced this when we replaced the engine air filter a couple months ago, but, all right, so let me open this up. Let's see. And, all right, so here are the two nice little things. Oh man, that's so much cleaner. And we got this here. This is the, got this on Amazon, and it was like one of the highest rated ones, had a good rating. And actually I put this in, I think I put this on my Camry too. So, let's open this up. All right. Okay. And which way is the airflow on this? Or does it tell us?
Maybe it doesn't matter.
Well, it should matter. Okay, so remove the old filter, Replace a new filter with the airflow arrow pointing down. Make sure it's, well.
I don't see an arrow.
Oh, there, wait, there it is. Airflow goes down, right? There's not one on here, but considering, all right, so the airflow, this is the bottom. This has got to be the top because airflow, okay, take a look at this. And we're just going to write down here, today is, what's today, August 28th?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, 2024. So we remember when we did this. All right, so let's take this one out. Man, it's hot. This thing is burning up. It's so hot. Okay. All right. Okay, so this is the one on the left. Airflow goes down. One on the left, airflow goes down. Airflow goes down, so we put it in like this. All right, nice. And this is the one on the right. Holy mackerel, Andy, this thing's dirty. I'm disappointed in myself for not remembering to do this. Okay, so airflow down, and so it's got to be the light side, right?
Yeah.
Getting all dirty myself. Okay. Do. There we go. Nice. That's on like that. So what we're gonna do, make sure this is tight in here. Yeah, all the snow. Okay. I like to make sure that it's all tight. Yeah, and there's no like gaps or anything, so it pushes nice and tight in there. Okay. There you go. Okay, so we're gonna put this in. Okay, so here, we'll just go like this again. So it goes in like this. Okay, so yeah, okay. Whoops. All right. Okay, and then boop, slides over like that. So that seems to be in there really nice. And then this one is going to go in, went in like this, right? Yeah, let's see. Make sure everything's tight here. Yeah, that's good. So this one's going to go in like this. Just like this. Right? There you go. That's tight. That's good. That's good. Yeah. Okay, so that's like that. And then this is the thingy here. So it's gonna go, this tab's gonna go in here, and then this is just gonna go like that. And we're done, right? Mm-hmm. Sweet. Okay, and then, what is this? Oh, there's a fork behind there. All right, okay, so let's put this back up. All right. So I'm gonna take this one and put it up like, ouch, like that. And this one is gonna go in like this. Okay, put that up in there. Okay. I think. Oh, hang on. It's gotta go in like. Oops. Hang on, let me get in here. I can't. There we go. Hello. All right, come here. There we go. This is gonna go in like. Come on, I know it snaps in. See? There you go. Oh, there we go. We're all snapped in. We're all snapped in. And, okay. See? Ta-dee! We're set. Everything's ready. You're good. Okay. That's the great thing. Here it is again. And take a picture of those gunky ones. Oh my goodness. This is incredible. That's really bad. That's okay. All right, so Dad and Danica saved the galaxy again, just like Kirk. Hey, I hope you all had a great time watching this. This was a lot of fun doing this with my daughter. Have a blessed day.